Hey, I got something a little different for you today. This is a sensory kit to teach you guys to smell the aromas, and you can learn what you're smelling. It might help you. I mean, this is a pretty cool thing. Didn't have too much of this when I was coming up. They're little vials, and this is a guy, Mike. He's a great guy. This is ShowDV on Instagram. It's SHOWDEVIE, ShowDV. He's on Instagram. I've been talking to Mike for many years. Mike's like one of those informative and educational type guys in the world of agave. He's great. He knows a lot. He's into Soltal, Bacanora, Mezcal. He's into all of it, agave spirits. This is going to help you guys. You know, it's not a lot of money. He's selling it on his website. He sent this over to me. I tried it out. I was impressed. I just smelled some of the citrus. My goodness, it's legit. And there's 24 vials in here, and it's really cool. And there's a booklet, and there's all kinds of information. You'd have to look at this to really get it. I mean, he's got all different ways teaching you how to smell and memorize when you open each vial with the top notes, the mid notes, the base notes, and where it would be when you smell it, how you could perceive how it's going to taste and what part of the tongue it's going to be on. It's pretty involved. It's a lot of fun and it's pretty cool. And I tell you, you're going to learn a lot doing this. So let's open this thing up. And it comes in this nice little kit. This is $80 plus shipping on his website. And you can get it on his Instagram page, ShowDV, as I explained. There's a section. Or you can just go to sdvsensorygoods.myspotify.com. That's SDV Sensory Goods. So let's check this out. Now look at this. Look how nice this is. I got to tell you, this is really, really cool. And it's a lot of fun. And you can learn a lot. And for you guys, you're always saying, well, how do you smell this? And how do you learn how to do this? A kit like this is really kind of like the answer. So look at this. He's got what he calls top notes, mid notes, and base notes. All right. So that's what you got here. And that corresponds to these vials. All right. This is really, really cool. I was just checking this out. So they're really strong smells. You can't miss it. I mean, look at this stuff. It's got like top notes like ozone, violet, citrus, guava, things like that, which are not easy to pick up. So you can learn maybe by smelling this and then memorizing it. You have mid notes, like for example, orange, rain. You have moss, you have vanilla, you have frosting. You have base notes of like char, tobacco, musk, smoke, caramel, cinnamon. This is really, really cool. The booklet is real involved. So there's a lot going on in here. There's great information. I really think you'd get a kick out of this and you'd learn a lot. So I have the pyramid on there, and he tried to tell you how to correspond with the smells that you're getting and how it would be in the taste as well. These types of sensory kits have been around for a while. A lot of them are expensive, So that's what Mike was telling me, I asked him, why did he make this and all of that? And he said that he felt that it's a great tool, and that other kits were too pricey and they didn't have enough centric notes. So there's the 24 notes here commonly found in agave spirits, all kinds of agave spirits, not just tequila, You have the mids and you have the base, like I said. They could be combined, he said, or isolated to be examined for memorization. So he thinks of these as like flashcards, so you can perceive flavors better. You just pick one, you smell it, you memorize it, and then you pick up a spirit and you go from there, The kit has all the information, like I said. It makes it pretty interesting to learn how to do all this stuff. So, for example, I'm just going to pick up vanilla, number 15. So I'm going to go over to number 15. It's right here. You simply open up this nicely. It's got them packed to the top, too. You take it right off and you open it up and you smell it, and sure enough, it's vanilla. Can't miss it. So let's try cinnamon. That's actually number 23. And we're going to try that. And let's see if it smells exactly like... And it does. And cinnamon. So, guys, you're learning. You want to learn about your notes. How do you smell this? How do you smell that? Well, something like this is pretty valuable. It's going to tell you what you're smelling. You get to memorize what that smell smells like. And then you can go right to a spirit and see if you can pick up some of the stuff that's listed here on some of the spirits you're drinking and you're smelling. $80 plus shipping is a really good deal for something like this. So, this is ShowDV on IG. You can find them there and you can buy it there, or you can buy it online at the sdvsensorygoods.myspotify.com. Okay, and I'll put that link in my comments. So check it out. I think you might be interested in this. This is the Agave Spirits It's a nice kit. It's interesting. You'll learn a lot of fun. And why not? I mean, and Christmas is coming up. This is a perfect gift for that, guys. So for people that want to learn about the aromas and tastes of tequila, and, this is an easy way to do it, guys. So, hey, Lou Agave, Long Island Lou Tequila.